Hi YouTube, it's me, Loretta, your favorite retail therapist. I wanted to come back and show you my photos on Canvas. They came out so great that I couldn't wait for the office tour to show them to you. So if you can remember, I had a picture of my husband and I laminated it to these poster boards, Canvas poster boards that I found at the thrift store. And I have a correction, they were $1.99 with 50% off from the thrift store. And so I got these poster boards and I laminated our photos on them. And this is the finished product. I also did a college degree in crafts, which is a PhD, projects half done. Also laminated this, and this is going to be on my shelf in my office because my office/craft room, because I have so many unfinished products, and I think this will be an inspiration for me to get them done. I also got so excited about it that I found this picture of my husband, myself, and our children. And it was an old photo, and it was starting to get frayed on the ends. And I'm like, I would like to have this out for a little while. So I did the same thing. And this actually was done the same way, cut out the picture, laminated with the Mod Podge to the canvas, and then Mod Podge right on top of the photo to make sure that it adheres to the canvas. And this is done in a matte finish. And if you can see the difference, this has more of a shine and this has more of a matted finish. And that was the look that I was going for that photo. I also had lunch, prepared lunch for my girlfriends. And I wanted to show you the table setting that I used for our lunch date. We just kind of sat around and talked. We've been friends for 30 years or close to it. And this is our table setting that I did. And very informally, this is in my kitchen. I'm off from my kitchen. This is just more of our regular dining, but I just elevated a little bit. I got these placemats from Walmart and just used my silverware. I got these chargers from a consignment shop and actually put one in the middle for a centerpiece, and I use that as the charger. And then just our little light lunch plates. And we did have to, use bigger plates, but just to have the table set nicely when they came. A dinner napkin with a dinner ring. And I got these nice goblets from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, just to make them feel like I really knew that they were coming and I was excited for them to be here. And we had lunch and we talked and we laughed and we cried and we prayed and we did all those things. You don't have to wait for a special occasion to make an occasion special. Anytime you're with your friends, God doesn't have to give you friends. And so he gave me 3 great friends, and I just want to make them feel special, make them feel welcome at our home. And yeah, create your space, share. If you would like to see more videos, please let me know in the comments. Tell me what you think. Any other projects you'd like to see me do, just, give me some comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Good night.